to go. I don't go no more. From now on, everything's gonna be alright. Don't go, don't go, don't go, don't go. Don't ever leave me.
Looks like I'm about to head up to the building department, try to get this permit going. Been out there in the back drawing up for us, I think, the stuff that they need for us the permit goes. This the accessory structure here. It's gonna be 40 by 60, 14 foot tall. It's gonna be 5 foot from the fence line this way, 20 foot this way, and 5 foot from that line, and 27 foot from the house, the back of the house. Then I got the sides. It's pretty much gonna be no windows or nothing on the sides. I just drawed it up. Then on the front side, it's gonna be a 10 by 10 garage door, 36-inch walk-through door, 2 foot by 3 foot window. And the back side gonna be 3 2 foot by 3 foot windows up high. Then we got the drawings of the trusses, the metal trusses. Not sure if I'm gonna need this, but I went ahead and got it. It's stamped. And this the permit, the back side of it. I ain't drawn nothing on the back side because I drew it all on a separate sheet of paper. All right, let's go up there and get it done. But let me give you an update on the building permit. It's actually been, I think, about 5 days since I left from up there. And I didn't get the building permit because I got to get a survey and a deed. So I decided to just go ahead and start, since I got this slab right here, I decided to just go ahead and start doing my front suspension on the truck. Yeah, got it all tore down. Changing up everything in the front, brakes and all. Well, let me show you for us this permit. I think once I get the deed and the survey, I'll be good to go. It's gonna be 2,400 square feet. This is what they wrote down, the survey and the deed I need. So once I get that, I've been trying to call around for us, trying to find a survey. It's hard doing. Got my main man Raw, he done pulled up on me.
What's up, y'all? Y'all know what it is, man. Slow motion, man. We trying to go and get this thing going, man. Them folks with all these permits and survey, they right here.
Yeah, I got some good news now. This morning, I ain't think they're gonna be open because of the holiday, Columbus Day, but I got an email. One company that they had said it's gonna be 900. So I said go ahead and send the agreement. So, but the other guy from last week, I think, what I tell you, he said 800, but they said they get me done next week. So I said go ahead and send an agreement. I think I'll go with that. But another guy called me. He said it's gonna be, he said 2,400. Then it's gonna be 250 more for him to come back out. I said, yeah, I heard him hung up from him. So
I know that's real.
Yeah.
That sound like what?
So I'm going. Yeah, I decided I'm going with the first person for real, but I ain't gonna go with that 2,400.
Yeah, that's too much.
I'll take my chances on somebody else.
I'd rather wait a little, whatever.
But hopefully some of them come through though. I don't want to turn down one and then don't none of them come through.
Yeah.
But
they'll come through.
yeah. So once the surveyor come, I guess I'll cut y'all back on.
1 week later.
Finally got the land survey out. He done finished up. He out in the car, I guess, finalizing everything, but you can see his equipment out here. So we good to go, I guess, on that.
Oh yeah, you good.
Y'all see we got Raw. He on the ones and twos on his side.
Y'all know what it is.
Yeah, we watching the surveyor find some property pins. I think he found one.
I think that quarter dropped.
weeks later.
I finally got that email that I've been looking for us to survey. This the drawing that I need, take to the building department. I done ran the copy off, but this the original. They sent me through email. And it's November the 1st. The last time that I went to the building department, it was October the 9th, so it's almost 8 more days, it'll be a month since I've been dealing with this survey. That's the copy. This is my deed. They told me to bring my deed and the survey. So that's where we headed now. I'm finna go pick up Raw. I'll cut y'all back on. Alright, me and Raw done made it up here to the building department slash police station. This the police station too. The city. The city hall. That's the county on that side. But we finna take this paperwork up here, see what they tell us. Y'all see all them undercover cars there? There's plenty of
a bunch of splat packs for y'all. They can run y'all down.
Alright. I'll cut y'all back on. Alright, we got some good news. Y'all see I got the permit here. Y'all go check Raw channel out. He gonna have a guessing game for us, the cost of what it cost me for us to permit. So y'all go check it out. I'm pretty sure he gonna have his video out before mine, so y'all gonna be late for it.
Yeah, you guys, I'm gonna put it. The permit is here. That's the most important thing, you guys. So now, only thing we gotta do now is get ready to go down to Robbie Rents, baby. Okay. We gotta rent a few things and hey, get this show on the road. I know y'all just as eager as we are, so y'all stay locked. And y'all come over, check out Customs channel, Raw Customs, for y'all some quick updates if you need them, because I'm gonna give them to you. All right.
Go check them out now.
All right, y'all.
Nobody really gave a damn about us. We never stopped. Right from the bottom to the top, from the ground up. We never stopped. Right from